Infant mortality rates among tribal children in India continue to remain high. More than 50% of tribal girl children in India suffer from stunting and being underweight. But the problem of stunting, wasting, and undernourishment is far more acute among girl children belonging to the particularly vulnerable tribal group, PVTG, which is a specific category given by the Government of India to the most economically backward tribal communities. They also suffer from trafficking, exploitation, since PVTG are the most vulnerable tribal communities living in extreme poverty since past many centuries. They have been living in remote villages and forest areas. Through Sashakt Beti initiative, CEI is ensuring nutrition, health, education, and a safe childhood for destitute girl children, especially those belonging to PVTG tribal communities. Take the inspirational case study of Sharmila Ji. Sharmila Ji is an orphan belonging to the Katkari particularly vulnerable tribal group. She is an extremely impoverished tribal little girl living in a remote village in Maharashtra. She had to resort to child labor in order to survive and to take care of her grandmother, all by herself. CEI rescued Sharmila Ji and many other girl children trapped in that vicious cycle. CEI is providing them continued nutritional support and safety. In the last 5 years, over 20,000 such children belonging to most marginalized rural communities have benefited from CEI's efforts. Many of them would not even have survived without this assistance. For example, Parvati Ji. Parvati Ji suffers from physical and mental disabilities since her birth. She belongs to an extremely poor family and lives in a remote village in Madhya Pradesh. CEI has been constantly providing her and many such girls who suffer from these ailments with food and other life support assistance. CEI is also providing shelter and homes. For example, take the case of Priyaji, an orphan tribal girl child from the Katkari PVTG community. Priyaji's village is highly vulnerable to natural disasters and suffers a lot due to frequent floods and other calamities. CEI built shelter for her and is continuously providing assistance to many villagers. CEI has been able to create lasting impact in the lives of tribal girl children in nutrition, education, financial empowerment, lighting the lamp of a brighter future, because of which we also received the prestigious Governor's Award and various other accolades from the state and central government. Even a contribution of rupees 1,000 or $11 is sufficient for feeding a tribal girl child for 1 month. Please contribute towards CEI's efforts in ensuring the survival of these children. Please be the light of hope in their lives.